The world produces 120 million tons of hydrogen annually. And if you know hydrogen to be one of the lightest elements in the universe, that's a lot of hydrogen. 98.7% of the hydrogen is made from fossil fuels, natural gas, coal, or oil, without carbon capture and sequestration. So you can see that fossil hydrogen almost equals the aviation industry in terms of producing carbon dioxide emissions. If we have the ability to use green hydrogen anywhere, it should be first and foremost used to replace the current hydrogen consumption.